Hey guys, Mikas here for your live electronic music tutorials presented, of course, by wemixdancemusic.com. If you produce music, you like some inspiration, or you want to actually upload some templates, check out our site at wemixdancemusic.com. There's opportunities for everyone to inspire others or to get inspired. It's about music production templates for the best DAWs, which is Logic Pro X, Ableton, FL Studio, and Cubase. We also have some other DAWs that are coming. We also have sample packs of over 13,000 items from 500 producers. So if you want to join to either inspire or get inspired, check it out, guys, wemixdancemusic.com. But today, we're gonna continue on a deep, progressive, or chill house track that I started that I wanted to record an episode. I had some technical problems these days. I seem to have a lot of technical problems in this new space. It's resettling, reinstalling, renewing, and guys, this is what happened in music production. Sometimes you have some problem, but you have to keep going like me. You have to check this out, guys. Keep going. 254 episodes and counting. I'm going 250 to 500 now. Nothing's gonna stop me, so let's continue on this track. I did the percussion, I did the bass, and I was just working on a beautiful lead here, so let's get into it right away. Bass up there, the lead. There's a variation on the second part here. So I'm gonna get straight onto working on this. I think it would be better to do something a bit more like the other part here. Maybe a bit later we'll rework it a little bit more. I like this lead. It's calm. I mean, if we're doing chill outs, we're doing chill outs really, so I think I will take this pattern. Definitely not gonna keep this sound. What I want to do is I want to put a top layer that will be the same pattern as the bass, but it's gonna be a pad, simply to add some depth into the track. Replicate it here. Maybe I won't need the key change at the end, but I'll see how it sounds first. What I will do, I'll create like a chord an octave higher here. Pads are usually better when they are in chord, a bit more. Bit thin. Somehow something happened here. But see the pads on their own? Not so much, but when the lead hits, perfect with the lead. So I would be tempted to keep this, add a little bit of supplement here at the first part. When it hits first, it's going to be a different pad, and then with the chord change, you have the lead that is coming in, and I will make like a contrast with the other pad, because it will be this one, and it won't be there, of course, on the second part. So we're going to go back into pads. I'm going to pick up something more something more smooth, maybe not this much. Send it to our reverb. Replicate it. Definitely not that. vibe going on already. Percussions are quite simple, guys. I'm gonna do a bit of a rundown because I made them, but I didn't showcase them to you, so you can understand what I have done. Before getting into that, of course, kick drum, snare, punchy snare, some open hat here, and then some blocks. That's it. And then if we're playing, you know, when we want to bring just the bass in, just for fun too. Quite a chucky bass, in the lower registry definitely. Let's see if we open the filter a little bit. Ooh, nice. Very good like this. Then let's bring on, not the melody yet, let's bring on just this pad, which is special. It's much more harmonics in this key here. This is why it sounds so much better. And then we're gonna bring the other pad in. Trippy. And of course the main lead here. So I'm listening to that and I'm like, it would be nice to have some kind of a piano kind of thing in there. However, I have, like I said, none of it is downloaded and my internet is kaput now. Thanks, Orange. So I don't know. I think I will go again in the preset of Alchemy, at least what I have on here. Check if I have some kind of piano. I don't think I have any pianos in there. There's a piano here. Oh, there's a few. I just have this feel that the piano would be cool. So let's see if it will be really. Usually not a very good sign. I think my reverb is taking a little bit more power than I expect. We're gonna have a check here. Should be able to take it fairly easily actually. A counter melody. So this could be either with or without our main lead here. So basically in some part it will be on its own, some other part what could be cool in this track to make it a bit more, I would say, musical. I think musical. I would drop some shakers on there. top of the hats. They give like a nice feel, and of course I put one off so it's not completely equal and you actually feel it or hear it. It's like an art beat. The hats, the shakers always tend to come too loud to me. What I usually do, I'm gonna remove musical typing here. I'm gonna sidechain them. I think I have a comp here. Maybe not this much. And then put them back in. Much more of a vibe. Can also put a bit of swing on them. Personally, not so much. I like better my shakers to be tight. Now I'm thinking, what could make this track special? So we have all this. I'm thinking some kind of sound effect or soundscape-y kind of thing, you know, that just runs in the back, that's pull back and forward, you know, something like that. Let's see if we able to find something like this. I'm gonna send it to the reverb. No, this is deep movement. Oh, if this is not on, it's not gonna move very much. This track really started to be deep and chill. It definitely is chill house. Definitely is in the mellow side. And now I just added some special effect layer on there. Let's hear just those. Remind me of something like tempted to sidechain it too. I like sidechain almost everything usually, so now we're gonna do a Control A, name region by track, color region by track. Well, that doesn't really work for those, but let's hear this again. I think I need a bit more juice in there so we can really feel it in the track. I wouldn't attempt to put vocals in there at this point. But what I will do, guys, is I will turn that into a full template that you can get on our site, wemake-dancemusic.com, and you can really learn how to make this track. And like I said, I will finish it into a 2-minute track with some transition, some effects, you know, some nice touches and a very good mix, so you guys can really get to learn how to make this type of music. And until next time, guys, it is